Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to merge two scanned documents into one PDF in iPhone. So as you can see, I'm going to opening my Notes app, and here's I've scanned two documents, and now I will merge these two scanned documents into a single PDF. And here's how to do it. First of all, you have to open your first scanned document and tap on the share icon, and you have to save the document in your Files app. So tap on Save to Files, and now you can create a new folder to save your document. So I'm going to creating a new folder here and typing the folder name PDF and done. Now in this folder I'm going to saving the document, and now you have to open your second scanned document, and the same way tap on share, tap on save to files, and select a folder where you want to save. So here's I'm saving in this folder. And now once you successfully saved all of your scanned documents in your Files app, now go ahead and open your Files app and simply go to the folder where you just saved your scanned documents. So here's my PDF folder. So this is the folder, and as you can see, here's two different scanned documents PDF showing up. And now to merge these two different documents into a single PDF, all you have to need, tap on this three dot and tap on select, and now select your multiple documents, and now to merge them into a single PDF, tap on this three dot and just tap on create PDF, and boom, you have successfully merged your multiple PDF into a single PDF, and here is the PDF file. This is the PDF. So as you can see, this is my first scanned document and this is my second scanned documents. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.